But our top story tonight, it's the ultimate insult in a sense to our brave martyrs, many of them who sacrificed their lives in the line of duty. Special police officer Kishore Pandey laid down his life for the country while battling Maoists in 2011. His family at that time had no money for his final rites. The Chhattisgarh police then came forward and gave them an aid of 10,000 rupees. But little did Pandey's family know that they would be asked to return the very money that they had used for the cremation. That's right. After the story was brought to light by the media, a red-faced chief minister today suspended the officer who issued the notice to the family. Tonight we begin News Today at 9 with a story that should force all of us to hang our heads in shame and hopefully force the system to introspect.
Kishore Pandey, a special police officer, was killed in 2011 in a Naxal attack in Chhattisgarh. But for over a year, his family was hounded for 10,000 rupees that the police department had given for his last rites. The first insult was a notice sent in June last year from Gariyabandh's reserve inspector asking Pandey's family to return the money given for the funeral. The martyr and his family were humiliated yet again when a second notice was sent earlier this week.
पूर्व में जो अशासकीय निधि से पैसा दिया गया था उसका समायोजन अभी शेष है और इसके संबंध में समायोजन के लिए नोटिस जारी किया गया है.
After the outrage, Chief Minister Raman Singh cracked the whip. He suspended the reserve inspector who issued notices to the martyr's family. A show-cause notice has also been issued to the Gariyabandh SP asking him to explain the unfortunate incident. A suspension for damage control. Is that enough for dishonoring a martyr? Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
Joining me now, R.K. Vij. He's the Additional Director General of Police Anti-Naxal Operations. Appreciate your joining us, Mr. Vij. What explains that notices like this are being sent to the family of martyrs asking them to return 10,000 rupees that were given for the cremation of one of those individuals? What are we telling what is the message that the Chhattisgarh government has sent out, sir?
No, I think this whole thing has not been properly, understood. The intention was not to disregard the family. It was only, the notice that the 10,000 rupees, which was given as advance amount to the family, that was asked to be repaid, to be refunded.
Why?
Actually,
why? Surely 10,000 rupees that a poor family is using for the cremation, you don't send a notice. Isn't that very aren't you trapped in bureaucracy when you tell me that there is nothing wrong in what was done? It's purely procedural. For God's sake, sir, is this how the bureaucracy deals with martyrs?
No, what I'm trying to tell you is that, 5 lakh rupees was due to him as ex gratia. The 5 lakh rupees was paid to the family members of the martyr, and 10,000 rupees was to be adjusted at that time, which was not done. So now issuing notice after so many years was not proper. That's why Ashoka's notice has been issued to the SP, and the officer who issued this notice has been placed.
But Mr. Vij, is there something wrong? I'm sorry to interrupt. Is there something wrong with our system that procedures like this almost, it almost seems as if the bureaucracy is doing this pro forma. We've given an advance to you of a certain amount of rupees. Now we have to send you a notice to ask for the money back. Surely something needs to change in the system. The SP was justifying it. The Subedar who has been suspended. I know that the Chief Minister has acted, but maybe if this story had not been highlighted in the media, then this, it would have gone unnoticed.
No, but as I told you, as soon as it came to our notice, we did take action. And every time, we try to sensitize our officer for such a small amount. Such things should not come to, this should not be done. And we ensure that this will not be repeated.
Are you giving me that guarantee? Are you willing to give me a guarantee that what happened to Kishore Pandey will not be repeated with any other martyrs family in Chhattisgarh? Number of your brave police officers are fighting the Naxals, are losing their lives in these operations.
I would like to tell you that we have a Shaheed cell, the martyr cell in each of the districts, and we take care of the families of our martyrs. This is a single case which has come to our notice of this sort. Otherwise, do take care taken by police officials, of their families, and by the government. And I can assure that I don't think there's such thing will be repeated.
Okay, I will take your word for it when you say you are assuring me and the viewers that this will never happen again. It's a story we've been highlighting over the last 24 hours here on Headlines Today. I'm glad to see that 24 hours later you've come and told us that you're assuring us this will never happen again. The officer concerned has been suspended. At least there has been some accountability. Thanks very much, Mr. Vij, for joining us there from Chhattisgarh.